Dito na kami sa Eden.
Solo.
Nature
Pero
Park.
yung Sunday, 400.
Mga kasama ko tulog na.
Ayun mo.
Saan? Wala pa. Tinatry namin i-figure out kung hihintay kami ng kasabay sa shuttle o ano na bang magaganap. Dito na kami sa Eden Nature Park. Feeling ko dapat ano na kami, gumora na.
Bale, parang 250 something.
Uy, may I love you din sa taas. Vista Restaurant.
Side is the deer park, where we have about 30 Philippine deer. The Philippine deer, also known as the Philippine sambar or the Philippine brown deer, is a species of deer native to the forests and grasslands on most larger islands of the Philippines. It is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its increasingly fragmented populations as a result of habitat loss and hunting. The Philippine deer is a medium-sized species with generally much smaller than its cousin, the sambar deer. It is mostly even brown in color, with the exception of the underside of the tail, which is white. The antlers of the male are quite small, usually having a length of 20 to 40 centimeter or 7.9 to 15.7 inches. Where we grow leaf lettuce, romaine or red salad bowl lettuce, arugula, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and celery. Hydroponics is a soilless way of planting that uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. Coconut husks ground into powder form are used to hold the roots down. We do not use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the green Eden seal. Function area called Holiday Terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design.
Parang amoy gamot. Mangosteen Grove.
On your left is the Mangosteen Orchard, which covers a total of about 3 hectares.
Ang mangosteen ay
Across the road on
puno.
your right is our Gulayang Pilipino. Flower garden, where we have over 100 different varieties of flowers. This is our first stopover. Feel free to explore and enjoy, but please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang.
Ang ganda!
You have 5 minutes to roam around.
Ayun, 5 minuto. Wow! Wow, ang ganda ng flower. Ang ganda din dyan.
Kasi dalawang sakyan. Hindi nakakapagod ito talaga.
Ayun, punta na lang ako sa ano. Doon na lang ako kanina sa kapit. Doon na lang ako kung walang sasakyan.
To Davao Gulf and Samal Island, where our sister resorts, Ana Marina and the island Benavista are located.
Excited ako dun sa
Shores
TikTok.
are available at the front
Ako din.
office. You may also
Excited
follow
ako
us
sa
on
TikTok.
our social media.
Gilo natin. Rainbow Pass.
Buti na lang pala nagkata tayo kundi sobrang init.
We are passing through the Rainbow Pass, where each arc has flowers
Bakit
that
dalawa?
correspond to a particular rainbow
Ah.
color. We also have a rainbow art installation,
Ayan na yung kabalik.
which is also about mangosteen orchard. Here are some facts about mangosteen. Mangosteen, or Garcinia mangostana, is native to Southeast Asia. Since ancient times, it has been cultivated in Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra, mainland Southeast Asia, and the Philippines. It is often used in traditional medicine. Mangosteen seedlings take between 8 to 15 years before they can bear fruit. But even trees as old as 100 years can still be productive. And now, for a brief history lesson.
Ayun na, may pa.
Eden used to be a logged-over area with most of its primary forest gone. It was only in the 1970s that development started. The owners carved terraces along the mountain slope. They also started planting thousands of pine seedlings as well as other trees and plants. These trees now make up the man-made forest that we are going through today.
Man-made siya.
Speaking of pine trees, Eden has a tree from the province of Benguet. The Caribbean pine is native to Central America, Cuba, and the Bahamas. It's a fast-growing species.
Napagod na.
We are now at our second stopover, Inugdan, Eden's tribute to the indigenous cultures of Mindanao. You will see here artistic interpretations of the traditional practices and worldviews of the Nords, the indigenous peoples of Mindanao, from their architecture and farming, to their social and political structure, to their stories and mythologies. You may disembark and roam around for 5 minutes.
Wow! Bagani protector.
Ay, naku, uulan.
Ang dulas!
Ma'am, careful lang po.
Opo.
O, dito kayo sa go. Pagdanan mo naman.
Sayang naman naman.
Minsan lang po tayo makapag-ano.
Oo. Enjoy mo na. Papunta kami ng Tinugdan.
May vlog si Ma'am.
Oo.
Subscribe po ako.
Sige po. Ayan.
Tira mo nga ako.
Marites ka, sir. Marites.
Madayaw na pagkani.
Parang tumatay ka. Dapat ganun mo yung pet mo, sir. Uy, ang dami ko. Ayun naman.
Oo, bilang yan.
Welcome back! We are about to resume our journey, so please settle down. We hope your visit to Dinugdan was fun and educational. Dinugdan first opened in 2008 after 2 years of planning and coordination with local architects, artists, anthropologists, and plants. It is a work in progress.
Pagurin.
Babalik pa.
Oo
On
nga.
your far left is another view of Davao City, the Davao.
Akala ko daw muna. Grapefruit.
Ano to? Oregano.
Kaya,
Welcome to Loya's Garden. This garden, you will find many plants and flowers traditionally grown in Philippine gardens. This is our third and final stopover before returning to the nature center.
Ay,
You
ang
have 5
bilis.
minutes to roam around.
parang view deck.
Oo,
Parang po yung bricks po.
bricks. Follow lang daw po yung bricks.
Parang siya. Ay, ma'am, yung green na building dyan. Ay, CR mo na tayo.
Sige po. Ang ano dito? Wow, ang ganda pala ng wishing well.
1, 2, 3, smile! Oh, nakalinhap po ito.
Si Ma'am Nits pala, bongga oh.
Yung daw walang jowa,
Dito muna sa duya.
kaya.
Akala ko kanina nga, damo lang to eh. Ganto pala to sa taas.
Meetings, seminars, and team building activities. For inquiries and bookings, you can call our sales and reservations office. We are almost at the end of our journey. We are now on our way back to the nature center. We encourage education. Thank you for visiting Eden Nature Park and Resort. We hope you come back soon. Mabuhay ug madaya.